Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Decide your creator identity before you record content. Pick a clear channel name and consistent avatar for recognition and trust. Record gameplay at 1080p and 60 FPS using a phone or PC capture device for smooth visuals. Use a microphone that captures clean voice audio. Invest about 0 to 0.00 in a mic and basic lighting to remove background noise and shadows. Set up simple overlays, webcam, recent subscribers, and a 16:9 game capture for polished presentation. Plan content formats that appeal to StumbleUps viewers and new players alike. Publish a mix of short clips, strategic guides, and highlight montages to keep variety. Use 15 to 60-second shorts for discovery on mobile feeds and 8 to 12-minute guides for deeper tutorials. Aim for 3 uploads per week with consistent release times to build audience habits. Track performance for each format and double down on the top 2 performing types every 2 weeks for steady growth. Engage your audience immediately by replying to comments within 24 hours to boost interaction. Create a Discord server and offer exclusive roles or monthly perks to active supporters. Host regular live streams with viewer games to deepen community bonds and retention. Monetize strategically after audience growth. Run ads, accept sponsorships, and use affiliate links that match gaming gear. Aim to reach 1,000 subscribers before applying for platform monetization, and
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.